Hi, this is Dylan DeSicchia with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about A2X, which is automated accounting for e-commerce business owners using Amazon Marketplace. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the blog and A2X's website. As you can see here on our blog, A2X is an accounting tool for e-commerce business owners who are specifically using Amazon Marketplace. And what it does is it integrates with QuickBooks to efficiently reconcile your Amazon settlements. It's going to take your settlements from Amazon and automatically post them into your QuickBooks for your CPA or for you to be able to get them into your accounting system. Now, another great thing that A2X offers is that it's going to help you calculate your cost of goods sold and your FBA inventory valuation. Again, both things which are time consuming, especially for you e-commerce business owners out there using Amazon Marketplace. Now, if we come over to A2X's website, what you're gonna see as you scroll down the page is it shows you what software A2X works with, right? Amazon, Shopify. It's gonna show you where it is supported, which countries it's supported in. So Australia, Japan, India, Canada, Mexico, United States, some countries in Europe. And if you continue to kind of scroll all the way down here, right, it's going to secure your data, which is obviously huge. Any business owner wants their data secure, especially their financial documents. But what I'm trying to get to is this. So what it'll show you is watch how your Amazon settlement accounting works in under 2 minutes. So it's a quick 2-minute video to show you how A2X can be beneficial to your Amazon business. And if you want to go ahead and try it for free, you can jump right in here. You can jump into the free trial and you can just see if this is something that's going to help your e-commerce business. Now, if you have additional questions about A2X and how it can work for your Amazon business, you can go all the way down here to the bottom of our blog and click this Speak with a CPA Today button. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to a page over here where you can go ahead and book a free discovery call with one of our CPAs here at Fusion, who will be happy to talk to you about A2X or about Amazon Marketplace or any questions you may have about e-commerce. And if you want to too, you can also just scroll right down here and give us a call at 404-955-7338, or you can shoot us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your time. Again, I'm Dylan DeSicchia with Fusion CPA. We hope this video has been informational and educational, especially to those e-commerce business owners who are using Amazon Marketplace. We certainly hope A2X can help take your e-commerce business to the next level. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop us a line or shoot us an email. We are always happy to answer your calls. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely amazing day.